Hi everyone, Jan here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me again. You may have seen my last post, my last video where I did some coasters in these blue and green colors as a supplement to the commission piece I made recently for a very dear friend of mine, the big 100 by 50 centimeters happy place, or the happy place I called it. uh, I decided to make these coasters for her as well, and she was very happy about them. And I decided to make another set for her housewarming for her new apartment. So I'm instead of doing the last coasters I did were bloom coasters. These I decided to do as a bloom swipe. So I'm still using the same paints, the same consistencies as for the blooms, but instead of blowing the cell activator on top of the puddle, I am swiping these, and I'm swiping them in a pattern, yin and yang pattern, I would say, or a swirl swipe, if you will. They came out really beautiful. I really love them. I'm hoping, expecting that she'll be very pleased about them as well. She loved the other ones, so I don't see why she wouldn't love these ones. But yeah, the as you see, I'm just swiping with the white cell activator, and immediately it cells up. It makes some really beautiful lacing. Really love it. They came out really nice. I'm really happy about them. This one, as you will see in a little bit, I decided to swipe a little more in the middle. There was a little too much white in the middle for my taste. So that's what I was doing. But yeah, really like this yin and yang kind of feel to it. So yeah, not much to say really. This is where I decide that I'm gonna swipe a little more with some colors in the middle of this coaster where there's too much white. Now that you're here, I would like to tell you about I'm in a collaboration in the weekend of the 19th and 20th of February. So after Valentine's Day, we're a group of guys that have um, decided to join in on a collaboration. It'll be both for the 19th and the 20th, because we are until now 11 um, artists that are going to yeah, have a train, I guess, of pours, which we'll be posting. I will post in not this video, but in hopefully the next video. I'll have the lineup and I'll be able to post that there. But it's a really nice group of guys, very talented group of guys. I will already post in the description here the links for their YouTube channels, and hopefully you will go check them out, subscribe for their channels if you're not already subscribed, and yeah, come join us on the 19th and 20th. Like I said, there will be some a little closer to the dates. There'll be the lineup will be posted, and probably in my next video I think I'll be able to put it in there. But with that said, I think that I will just leave you here, and thank you for joining me again. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and also leave a comment for me. With YouTube's algorithm, it really helps if there's traffic on my channel. So yeah, please do write a comment, ask me any questions you'd like. And with that said, I just hope that you have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.